Hi there, and welcome back to another Bee video tutorial. Today we're going to be talking about the process of connecting your Bee Pro account with your Sendinblue account so that you can create emails using Bee's editor and then send those emails from Sendinblue. So the first step here is to find our API key in Sendinblue. So from your Sendinblue dashboard, you will click API over here on the left, and your API keys will pop up. We are going to choose this version 3 key on the top here, since this is the latest version, and we'll just go ahead and copy that, and then we're going to head over to Bee Pro for the final step. So from your Bee Pro dashboard, you're going to click on Settings, and then choose Connectors. You have several options here for connectors, and Sendinblue is over here on the right. So all we have to do here is go ahead and paste that API key we just copied, and then click Connect, and then we are good to go. Our Sendinblue account is now connected with Bee Pro. Now, we do have one other method you can use to connect these accounts. If you have just a single email template that you would like to export to Sendinblue, you can do that as well. So for this, we're going to head back over to our projects, and we'll just go ahead and open this project and click Edit Message. Just take a look, just make sure everything is good to go, everything is the way you want it to look. And then once you are finished creating your email, you can click Save up here in the upper right-hand corner, and you'll be taken to a screen with message details. So from this screen, you have the option to export your message. So if we click this, we're going to choose Export to another application, and then we'll select Sendinblue. So if we click Create, this email template will be sent to Sendinblue, and then you can find it on your dashboard from there. And that's it. Those are the two methods you can use to connect your Bee Pro account with Sendinblue.